English-Tagalog Sentence Translation, Lesson number 7. Ours is better than theirs. Ours is better than theirs. Kahulugan, mas maganda ang sa atin kaysa sa kanila. What's your birth order? What's your birth order? Pang-ilan ka sa inyong magkakapatid? Take off your shoes before you walk on the carpet. Take off your shoes before you walk on the carpet. Hubarin mo ang sapatos mo bago ka lumakad sa carpet. It's time to get on the plane. It's time to get on the plane. Oras na para mag-board tayo sa eroplano. You have to put off your vacation until next year. You have to put off your vacation until next year. Kailangan mo munang ipagpaliban ang bakasyon mo hanggang sa susunod na taon. She fell in the parking lot and blacked out. She fell in the parking lot and blacked out. Natumba siya sa parking lot at nawala ng malay. The police blocked off the street after the explosion. The police blocked off the street after the explosion. Hinarangan ng mga pulis ang kalye pagkatapos ng pagsabog. Don't blow up at me. It's not my fault. Don't blow up at me. It's not my fault. Huwag ka sa akin magalit. Hindi ko naman kasalanan yon. He thinks highly of you. He thinks highly of you. Mataas ang tingin niya sa'yo. Several prisoners broke out of jail. Several prisoners broke out of jail. May ilang bilanggo ang tumakas sa kulungan. Has she gotten over the flu? Has she gotten over the flu? Gumaling na ba siya sa trangkaso? Please get rid of that old t-shirt. It's so ragged. Please get rid of that old t-shirt. It's so ragged. Itapon mo na yung lumang t-shirt na yan. Punit-punit na. I'll hand in my report tomorrow. I'll hand in my report tomorrow. Ipapasa ko na ang report ko bukas. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Alam mo ba ang sagot? I didn't take anything from the table. I didn't take anything from the table. Wala akong kinuha sa mesa. You have a large coffee stain on your shirt. You have a large coffee stain on your shirt. Meron kang malaking mancha ng kape sa kamiseta mo. G is taking Henry to the airport. G is taking Henry to the airport. Ihahatid ni G si Henry sa airport. I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can. Ginagawa ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko. Your client doesn't understand the contract. Your client doesn't understand the contract. Hindi naiintindihan ng kliyente mo ang kontrata. Where do you want to send this package? Where do you want to send this package? Saan mo gustong ipadala ang package na to? What did they bring you? What did they bring you? Anong dinala nila sa'yo? You are not going out tonight. You are not going out tonight. Hindi ka lalabas ngayong gabi. You're not coming with me dressed like that. You're not coming with me dressed like that. Hindi ka sasama sa akin ng ganyan ang suot mo. Am I talking too much? Am I talking too much? Masyado ba akong madaldal? I prefer to read in the library. I prefer to read in the library. Mas gusto kong magbasa sa library. Take your brother with you. Take your brother with you. Isama mo ang kapatid mo. You don't need to worry about me. You don't need to worry about me. Hindi mo ko kailangang alalahanin. It's always cold in January. It's always cold in January. Palaging malamig kapag Enero. I learned how to ski during the holidays. I learned how to ski during the holidays. Natuto akong mag-ski ng bakasyon. A car zoomed past a truck on the highway. A car zoomed past a truck on the highway. Humarurot ang isang kotse at nilagpasan ng isang truck sa highway. He admitted to the charge. He admitted to the charge. Umamin siya sa paratang. I'm interested in politics. I'm interested in politics. Interesado ako sa politika. Carla is sitting close to me. Carla is sitting close to me. Nakaupo si Carla malapit sa akin. We get paid hourly. We get paid hourly. Binabayaran kami kada oras. O kaya, kada oras ang bayad sa amin. Let's go to Paris next week. Let's go to Paris next week. Punta tayo sa Paris sa susunod na linggo.